If you work in design, engineering, or architecture, this video could change how you think about your career tools. So we are going to break down the current state of CAD software, what's replacing it, and most importantly, what you should be learning right now to stay relevant. Let's start with the elephant in the room, AutoCAD, the granddaddy of all CAD software. It was launched in 1982, that's 43 years ago. To put that into perspective, AutoCAD is older than Microsoft Windows, the World Wide Web, and even the first mobile phone call. That's how long it's been shaping the design world. AutoCAD still has a massive user base worldwide, and it's still widely used for 2D technical drawings in many industries. However, the way we design and build things has fundamentally changed. We're not just drawing lines on a computer screen anymore. We are creating intelligent 3D models, running simulation, collaborating in real world across continents, and even using AI to optimize our design. So what's actually happening in the design world right now? First, there's BIM, Building Information Modeling. Instead of just drawing a building, architects now create intelligent 3D models with Revit, ArchiCAD, or any other BIM software that contains everything from material cost to energy efficient data. Second, we have parametric modeling. Softwares like SolidWorks, Fusion 360, and Inventor don't just let you draw, they let you create intelligent models that update automatically. When you change parameters, change the diameter of a hole, and every related feature updates instantly. Third, cloud-based collaboration. Tools like Autodesk Construction Cloud or Onshape let entire team work on the same model simultaneously from anywhere in the world. And finally, AI integration. Generative design in Revit, Fusion 360 can create hundreds of design variations optimized for weight, strength, or cost that no human would ever think of. But here's where it is getting interesting. Different industries are moving in completely different speed. Architecture. This industry has largely moved to BIM. If you are an architect still using 2D AutoCAD for building design, you are genuinely behind the curve. Major firms commonly require Revit experience, not AutoCAD anymore. Product design. So this is where a significant shift has happened. Most product design has moved to parametric 3D modeling. SolidWorks dominates in many areas, but Fusion 360 is growing fast, especially among startups and similar companies. Civil engineering. This is where AutoCAD maintains its strongest presence. Road layouts, site plans, utility drawings. 2D drafting is still common here. Even though this is slowly shifting towards softwares like Civil 3D and other specialized tools. Coming to manufacturing, they've moved beyond traditional CAD entirely into integrated PLM system, also known as product lifecycle management, that handles everything from initial design to product planning. Now here's what I'm seeing in the job market right now. Looking at the job postings and talking to people in the industry, here's the trend. AutoCAD only positions are becoming less common. Revit and BIM positions are growing rapidly. Generative design is still niche but expanding. In product design, modern 3D modeling skills like Fusion 360 and SolidWorks are increasingly in demand. If you are a recent graduate with only AutoCAD skills, you're competing for fewer opportunities against people with decades of experience. Before I give you the verdict, we need to talk about something crucial that most people get completely wrong. Don't make software your identity. I see this all the time, people calling themselves AutoCAD expert or Revit expert. Here's the problem with the thinking. Software changes, new tools emerge. If your entire professional identity is tied to one piece of software, you are setting yourself into, I would say, into trouble. Instead, think of yourself as a problem solver who happens to use certain tools. Let's say you're a mechanical designer, not a SolidWorks user. You're an architect, not a Revit operator. This mindset shift is huge because it means you're always learning, always adapting. So is CAD becoming outdated in 2025? Traditional 2D CAD, in most industries, it's becoming less central. It's not dead, but it's definitely not where the growth is. But CAD as a concept, it's evolving into something much more powerful. The real question isn't whether CAD is outdated, it's whether your CAD skills are outdated. If you're still thinking in terms of lines and circles, you're behind. If you're thinking in terms of intelligent models, parametric relationships, and collaborative design, you're exactly where you need to be. So what should you be doing right now? First, focus on fundamentals. So engineering principles, design thinking, problem solving skills, these transfer between any software. Master these and you'll adapt to new tools quickly. Whether it's AutoCAD, Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, or any other tool, they are just tools. The real value is in how you think, how you solve problems, how well you understand the project, the process, and the people. Software changes, workflows evolve, but your mindset and adaptability, that's what really builds your career. Second, embrace being a beginner again. If you are experienced with AutoCAD, don't panic, but do start learning. Maybe pick one relevant tool from your industry. Yes, it feels frustrating at first, that's normal. Here's the bottom line: be a designer who uses software, not the other way around. Your value isn't in knowing which buttons to click, it's in knowing what problems to solve and how to solve them elegantly. Are you seeing this shift in your industry? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you understand where design software is heading, hit the like button and subscribe for such content. I thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next one.